We wanted Mom to have a heated floor in her bathroom. So we're laying it with the Dura-Rock around it and then adding in a filler. When you roll this out, you want to make sure that you're testing to make sure that it works with an electrical tester, and all the wiring should be done in advance. The wiring, it goes up the wall near the other switches so that there is a remote switch there for her to turn it on and off with the thermostat. But as you're laying this out, you want to constantly be testing it to make sure that you don't break any of the lines as you're rolling it out and lose that before you actually put the filler into it. This will afford Mom a warm floor while she is bathing, since the house is such that you can't just turn up the heat to make it warmer in her room. Laying it out the way we are is allowing us to not have a huge change of floor level going from her room and into the bathroom. That way, it's still ADA compliant. If she needs a wheelchair or anything, there's no tripping hazard, it works out. This is a filler he's using, so it's going to dry a little slower than a leveling product. A neat trick you'll see him use is this wooden piece of wood. It's like a 2x2. And he's going to be using it to spread this filler down through this valley where this mat lays. So it'll be beautifully even, perfectly even with the Dura-Rock, and very easy to tile over without having any bumps or any change in the level. It's a great little trick. I've never seen it done this way, and I think it's an easy way to apply this matte type product into a tile floor in a bathroom. They're very easy to find on Amazon. I can put the link for this in the description or in a comment. If you're actually really interested in doing this, there are several different ways you can lay this out and several different varieties of how you can get a product. You can actually get the wire with the heating on a spool where you can lay it out manually. You can get smaller, all sizes of mats. You can actually not cut the wire, but cut the mat to contour it. It's super simple to research and super simple to apply. I'm surprised more people don't do it. I think it's going to save us long term on our electric bill, because as my mother in her 80s, I think she truly requires to have a warmer bathroom environment. In the description, I note how you can lay some tips on different methods that are really safe to apply this. I'd also like to note it's a secondary heating method for this space. Share and subscribe for more.